In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Grammarly Chrome extension. If you write emails, posts, or documents in your browser, this small add-on can help catch typos, suggest clearer wording, and keep your tone on track, right where you type. First, open Google Chrome on your computer and head to the Chrome Web Store. The easiest way is to type Chrome Web Store into the address bar and hit Enter, then click the official store result. This is where Chrome extensions are safely listed and reviewed, so it's the right place to grab Grammarly. Once the store loads, use the search box in the top left and type Grammarly, then press Enter. In the results, look for the official Grammarly extension. You'll recognize it by the green G logo and the publisher name. Choosing the official listing ensures you get the genuine tool with the latest updates and security fixes. Next to the Grammarly listing, click Add to Chrome. Chrome will show a small confirmation window explaining the permissions the extension needs to work, such as reading and suggesting text in the pages where you write. This is standard for writing assistants. When you're ready, click Add Extension to confirm. Chrome will quickly download and install it, and you should see a brief notification confirming it's been added. Now, look to the top right of Chrome for the Grammarly icon in your toolbar. If you don't see it immediately, it may be tucked under the Puzzle Piece Extensions button. Click the Grammarly icon to open it, and then log in with your account. Signing in connects the extension to your preferences and allows it to sync your settings. After you're logged in, Grammarly will be active anywhere you type in Chrome, from email to documents to web forms. To get the most out of it, keep an eye out for the small G indicator or underlines as you type. You can click suggestions to accept fixes or see explanations, and you can turn features on or off from the extension menu whenever you need to focus. Chrome updates extensions automatically, so you'll always have the latest version without doing anything extra. That's it. You've opened the Chrome Web Store, found Grammarly, added it to Chrome, confirmed the installation, and logged in. You're ready to write with more confidence across the web.